How to enable stars on Facebook Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can enable stars on Facebook Reels. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up a Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page. For that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner just below the home icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here, scroll down a bit and there is a bar with an option as photos, post and reels. So tap on reels. Now tap on create reel button. Now select a video that you want to add as reel on your account. Once you're done selecting your video, you can edit your video. If you want to edit, you can also do that. You can add text, audio, effect or stickers as well. Once you're done editing, tap on next. So on the next page here, you can have various options as well. Now to enable the stars on this reel, tap on see more settings, scroll down a bit and there's an option add stars. If it is toggled off, in order to enable, simply toggle on this option. And after that, the stars is now enabled in this reel that you're about to post. Once you're done with that, now simply tap on share now, and that's how you enable stars on Facebook Reels. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.